Yo guys, you know this is good game I'm playing right now back on the new video. I just forgot to upload a new video and I just make it on my only me and for the private video, so it's uploaded now. Should see that. Okay, so what we are missing in today is my screen and okay guys, so as always, come on. 3 team of the week. Come on. What the hell, man? Now, that's not, I'm not gonna be overreact like WCS. '94? Oh my god! This is a great pack opening, guys. Just open these packs and then we can get two icons. Oh my god, guys. This is just a magic, guys. Last time my game was fully reset and I just cannot open packs, so I just make a new account and just say you can get it. You can complete 100% in these packs. Oh my freaking hell. By the way guys, my hair looks messy today. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description below. Subscribe please. Hit that like button if you are not subscribing. Then what are you doing? Just go and subscribe right now. 3 minutes left, okay? Oh my god, that's my favorite song. Oh my god guys, that's how. Just love that song guys. Food by day pack, come on. No, it's all the time. Cristiano Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo 98, Cristiano Ronaldo! Great! That is great guy. Cristiano Ronaldo is not a normal player, he's the best player in the world right now. Kids speak with potatoes for families. Someday by the way, I control the sound with this. It's hard to breathe. Another match, come on. Oh, it's Angel Maria. Oh my gosh, team on the knockout stages, come on, keep team on the knockout stage, not the group stage, knockout stage. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, come on. Oh yes, already. Yes, Messi, Messi of the 99, come on, we get this. Just look at this bag. There is Messi 99, Neymar Jr. and a great icon. What's better than this? That was lit, guys. That was lit. That was. So it was not that. Oh my gosh, it's team of the year, right? Yeah, it's a team of the year. Yeah. The best pack opening in the world right now. Oh no 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 no! This is not the NCS one. This is not the NCS one. This was not the NCS one. Okay. I like this song, man. That was a great pack. We got the icon. Prime icon. Cryer? What's better than this? What's better than this? These packs are not. Who said these packs are not worth it? Our packs are literally 100% worth it. Just guys, look at this, and we won a. Okay, also, please, please. Yes, come on, Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez. Should use that. Oh my god, it's Corrido! Yes! These guys are really worth it. With no time of starts, please contact me. I'm gonna be giving you to you. Take me out and listen. Guess that player, who it is, giving you 7 million coins if you get that player right. You should have get that player. Come on. New icon, get it. You should have get that player right. Cristiano Ronaldo, nothing better than that. Seriously. Icon! Prime icon! Brazil, go! Mega clap. Last 2 packs, then I'm ending the video. What? Team of the year. That's right. Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. Why is calling me? I just have it too. This is the last video, guys. Subscribe now so we can get more. Guys, come on, we need some more subscribers. Whoa, no, Christian. Whoa. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like it. But please subscribe to my channel for the guy and get the chance of win 18 million coins, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I will be making the next video.